Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Chevrolet pickup truck, and that's right, it's a K10. Yeah, that second digit is a K in the VIN. Real four-wheel drive truck, guys, and she is restored to top of the heap. Looking sweet. Look at that grill. Beautiful. The chrome's beautiful. The black paint's beautiful. I mean, I can see a perfect reflection, and it's looking like I may need a haircut soon. When you look down the side of this thing, man, is it sharp. Looking good. And can you imagine if you had to find one of those hubcaps? Isn't that cool? Of course, it's got lockout hubs on it. Beautiful white accents. All the stainless, chrome, aluminum, everything looking sweet. Houndstooth Interior. Pop the door open here. Look at this door jamb, how nice and clean it is. Then that tag is right there on the outside door jamb. We'll have a close-up picture of that in our website at vanguardmotorsales.com, so you can go there and take a look. But you can see the Houndstooth Interior, the headliner, the dash, the steering wheel. Just everything about this truck is absolutely beautiful. I actually just did the driving video on it earlier today, and it is a blast to drive too. And talk about attention, everybody I drove by was giving us the thumbs up. Look at the bed here. Most pickup trucks have to work for a living. I don't think this lazy bum did any work ever. It looks perfect in that bed. No bricks in this baby. Look at that back bumper. All the trim back here is looking good. Of course, tailgates take the biggest brunt of the abuse. Look at that tailgate. Paint job on that tailgate looks as nice as the paint job on the hood. Even the bed, you can see in the bulkhead up there, it looks like the bed just keeps going. That's how nice it is. Now there are a couple little pieces of green up there I see. We had it outside and the plants are letting off some of their pollen and stuff, so that's what those little pieces are up there. When you look down the side of it, look how nice and straight that baby is. She is gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this Chevrolet pickup truck. So you can call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513. Now, one of the first things we do to every one of the vehicles when they come in here is we get them up on the lift and we inspect them so Tom can accurately answer all your questions. So give him a call anytime. And also follow us on Facebook, check us out on YouTube, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We've always got new exciting inventory coming in. All right, 72 4x4 short bed. Man, this thing is cool. Now, my dad was collecting these back years and years ago. We never had a four-wheel drive. We had a bunch of two-wheel drives. And I tell you what, this thing is a little piece of history right here. You want to talk cool? You want to talk pulling into a car show and drawing a crowd? This is a crowd pleaser right here, guys. She's a beauty. The paint is beautiful. She's driving great, and it's a 4x4. I know 4x4 don't mean much to people these days because everything's 4x4. But in 1972, if you had a 4x4, you were somebody. These were very rare in 72, guys. Man, this thing is beautiful. And we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will answer all your questions. He'll help you with financing also if you need that, and they take care of all the paperwork. Or if you like to do that stuff on your own, you can go right to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can fill all that stuff out online. Oh my gosh, there's a ramp here. Let's jump it. Man, this thing is fun, guys. Now you can see down here on the dash, it looks brand new. Looks like everything's working. The speedo, the tack, fuel gauge. It's got the stock radio in it. It's even got the instructions on how to put it in 4x4, baby. Let's take this thing out and get it muddy. No, I don't think we're gonna do that with this one. She's a beauty. Take a week of Sundays to clean this baby up. Now we are very close to Detroit here, so if you'd like to fly in and check it out or drive in and check it out, just let us know you're coming, because we do have 2 locations here. They're only about 1.5 miles apart, but we got a lot of cars in stock, so we have to move some around to get your favorite vehicle out. Just give us a little notice so we can get it out front so you can check her out. If you want to send an inspector, that's fine too. We'll treat an inspector just like we treat you. Now we're about to do something nobody else does to all their vehicles. We're gonna put this beauty up on the lift and show you just how beautiful the bottom side is also. Now we're coming up on our main shop here at 15100 Keel Street. We're gonna get it in the air for you now. And looky there, there's another short bed pickup truck. That's other brother from other mother and father. Stick with us. All right, we're underneath this Chevrolet 4x4, and man, look how pretty it is under here. Look at the paint job on that frame, looking sweet. 12-bolt rear end here, 373 gear, and it is an open rear end. You can see the brand new exhaust, looking good. Everything under here is just beautiful. Mufflers are brand new, looking good. The frame's still all painted up, looking good. Back sides of the bed sides looking good. The bottom side of the bed looking good. Bottom side of the cab also looking good. We get the new process transfer case here. Everything looks good under here, man. All cleaned up, looking sweet. Turbo 350 trans, that's a 3-speed automatic. Just everything about this truck. I tell you what, you're gonna have to get you some mirrors, put underneath this baby and show it off. She's gorgeous. Bottom side of the motor's all painted up, looking good. Frame's still, again, straight as an arrow, looking good. The back side of the bumper is just as clean as the front side. The whole bottom side of this truck is just beautiful. Of course, 373 gear up here. We got a Dana rear end up here. Look at these hubcaps. I love these hubcaps. I tell you what, I don't think anybody could find a set of those if they tried. Man, that is cool biz. 2 35/75 15s on the tires. You can see the paint work here. Bottom side of the front fender looks good. Rocker looks good. Everybody knows these Chevrolet pickup trucks, these rockers were one of the first things to go. Floorboards just as clean as can be here, looking sweet. Out back here, again, look at that hubcap, man. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like an original cap too, obviously. I can't see that size, but I'm sure they're the same size. 2 35/75 15s. Again, wheels all painted up good. Bed sides looking good. We got the duals dumping out here behind the tires. Also, the front bumper here looks brand new. Just everything about the truck's amazing. Let's get under the hood. Under the hood here, we got a 350. It's a 73 model. There's a quadrajet carburetor sitting on top. Look at that evaporator box on the AC setup. I tell you what, that looks like it just came out of the factory there. All the hoses looking sweet. Looks like it's got a brand new battery in it. Looks like a rebuilt unit on the radiator here. The core support area is all painted up, looking sweet. It does have power brakes and it does have power steering. You can see the motor's all painted up nice and sweet. The firewall's all nicely painted. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses look great. Even the bottom side of the hood's chassis black and it's looking sweet, guys. I tell you, you do not find these trucks in this kind of condition ever. It's a K, it's a 4x4. She's beautiful, black and white. Gorgeous chrome, gorgeous interior. That interior's houndstooth in there, man. It is one sweet ride, guys. Call us 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.